As an event professional, you wear two hats. You have to be the business owner chasing new clients and contracts, but you also have to be the event planner managing vendors, budgets, timelines, and more. The problem is, all other softwares are going to force you to choose between one or the other. Stop switching apps and meet Ripluo. Ripluo is going to be your new best friend because it's the right software to help you with both sales and your event planning. From the first handshake to the final invoice, Ripluo handles it all. Master your logistics effortlessly. Track every budget dollar, manage all of your checklists, and keep the contact information for your venue, for your vendors, for your guest speakers, all of that in one secure place. Ripluo is not just for event planning, it's also for growing an event business. With it, you can turn your leads into paid clients faster with our integrated CRM pipelines, custom proposals, and digital e-signature systems. With Ripluo, you can keep your team, your vendors, and your clients all in sync with real-time collaboration tools. If you get stuck, let the Builder AI assistant help you brainstorm ideas and automate the heavy lifting. Join the event professionals managing thousands of details with less stress. Ripluo is powerful, professional, and completely free to get started. So go to Ripluo.com and create your free account today.